This is how you convert our big easy sticks to different sizes. For a sign shorter than 5 feet, cut at the appropriate marking. Cut the wires and cover the ends with silicone adhesive. Screw the cap on the end, install, and connect the power supply to enjoy. For a sign longer than 5 feet, you will also cut at the marking, cut the wires, and cover them with silicone adhesive. Use the connector to join a 5-foot stick with the newly cut stick. Join the connections. Then screw the cap on the end and connect a power supply. And watch your sign light up like new. You can also connect an L bracket for easy mounting.